Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Makeover AK SIMRAN. So today I will show you brushes for beginners. So I'm using plume brushes. It's very affordable and having best quality. So first one is foundation brush, second one is blending brush. You can blend foundation with this brush. Third one is powder brush. You can apply powder or remove excess amount of powder from your face with this brush. And next one is contouring brush. You can give a proper face cut with this brush. You can blend your contour easily with. Next one is blusher brush. You can apply blusher easily with this brush. So I'm teaching you about the face brushes. Now next I will teach you about brushes for eyes. 6 brushes you must have in your vanity. One blending brush. It blends your crease area very smoothly. It blends your crease area. Next one is mini blending brush. With this brush you can blend outer corner of your eye. So next one is flat brush. With this brush you can apply glitter on your eye. Next one is pencil brush, waterline brush. You can merge or blend shadow on your waterline easily. Next one is liner brush. You can apply wing liner very easily. Next one is eyebrow brush. You can apply brow gel as well as you can comb your eyebrows very easily with this brush. You can watch the video, must subscribe, like and share my video. So next one is highlighting brush. You can give a tint of highlighter with a fan brush. And last but not the least, you have to take lip brush. You can apply lip gloss very smoothly with this brush. So thank you for watching my video. Must share, subscribe and like my video. Thank you so much. Do follow me for more videos. Thank you.